Pious Freedom, welcome on board. When you come, you hit the share button, you invite friends. Muda Muzel, welcome sir. Revolutionary greetings. The female general, 21 guns alone. Welcome, revolutionary greetings. Share, we come, hit the share button. Ezekiel, thank you, bro, thank you. My brother Clovis, I see you, 21 guns alone. You hit the share button, you invite friends. Akanji, Edwin Arab, I see you there, 21 guns alone. Thank you, Merry Christmas to bro. Together we move to Boya. Enjoy that piece of music. Go to dance. I see you, Gideon there. Abong Jimmy. 21 guns alone. Kepler Michael, I see you there, 21 guns alone. Amba people. Thanks for listening with that piece of music all the way from the northern zone. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow comrades of the revolution, una happy Sunday, and I wish una happy New Year in advance, wherever una there, especially my people for Ground Zero and Ground One, our refugees in Ground One, our prisoners in Koninge. I wish all una happy New Year in advance and happy Sunday. We don't come for review the state of our revolution and for enlightening our people. We don't know which way it go on, in and out, so that we know the way forward, how we set our traps. We get to know our enablers, how we get to deal with them. Because if we fight war, we never start to fight the internal enemy, will be very difficult to win the war. So once more again, once salute all my way to watch this program for now. Say wanna share the program so that me reach for the people. They will give a share. If you get any man want me listing the message, because sometimes it be say when one give a message, sometimes either you add your own small maggi or you go reduce small salt. But me the person get them from the horse's mouth. So we go get a breaking news where we don't see some people don't know where they go on for the revolution, but we will there 24 hours. We need to sleep. We need follow up the revolution for 24 hours. I mean, say 24 hours we there for this revolution, and we give to tell our people the way to where they go on. We don't see some group of people don't come. They say they form Ambazonian Youth Council, and we go review the people the way they're behind this, and I will show a picture for a person where he already take himself up a vice president for the youth of Ambazonia, where he talk say he go address Ambazonia on the 31st, where our excellency give would address the nation. When I go see the manipulation where they go on for this struggle. They will go for another saboteur. The way they think say if we don't work their own way, they will decide to kill our brave soldiers for Ground Zero, so that they will delay the struggle. And we go see how this man from this Mexican man from China in Hong Kong called Capo Daniel, how he try to allocate General Arike, he hide out, and in that same light, we see how Epum, he try to allocate our great free marshal, he hide out. We go tell we understand where they stand for this revolution as of now. Then we go for economic sabotage, where I think say we don't slow for economic sabotage. When the USA plays the coal, USA Kumba the coal, Fako the coal, Abakwa Town the coal. Now because we don't draw our footsteps back as far as economic sabotage it be concerned. I will tell you now why we did for this level where the respect goes down and they respect all the laws the way the internal government give. I will tell you now say it be because of economic sabotage. I will tell you now why we get to activate the economic sabotage back 100%. I will give you advantages why we economic sabotage it will come back fully, because when we look at keenly now enable us now our people they delay with this struggle. They will talk more like on RPG way when I be listening even Chris Anu advocate now, but I not say in the long run nothing that will foresee for come as we talk, but now for the moment what we will do economic sabotage to keep the flame burning. We not get to keep a me the year na smoke. The flame, they get for the see flame every morning time. We woke up, it didn't have a flame. So we get to talk that one. Now, before I go with the breaking news about the youth council where be formed, I will first start about to talk about this La République sponsor agent like Capo Daniel and Eric Tato. It don't be quite a number of times where if you see we activists where we belong to the interim government with respect to the Amber Peace Plan, it don't be quite some time where we hardly hear you talk about their names again, because they be the use we now it bring a lot of distraction, because you like activists, you know, we come for your platform where you get plenty things that will educate the Ambazonian people and for tell Ambazonian people the way forward. And then you will keep the whole platform. You talk of Erita talk, Capo Daniel do this one did this, Tapang Ivo do this. Now they distract in that way. They be the use at that time. We say when they come, we attack. But this time around, we don't rise past all those things. And we go talk today. We know they call their names again, but we want to stay Ambazonian people, the state of the revolution. We'll see how our own brothers, our own sisters, where we think say they fight the same cause they don't decide to take the other way around. We don't see listing General Arike in audio where he coach Capo Daniel, where Capo Daniel for audio, for video, he talks say General Arike don't run go for Ghana, say any the fight anymore. We in that light, I want to ask Ambazonian people first thing. I want to ask first thing. This war where we fight, where our boys are down, our brothers, because they didn't our brothers. None of we for here we talk if we born any of them. Yeah, if we want born highest, so we're picking within 5 years, 4 years. But these boys the way they fight for grand, mostly now our own brothers, now our own age range. I want to ask Capo Daniel say, General Arike, if he surrender self, if he say don't decide to surrender, go Ghana and Abati. Well, I want to ask Ambazonian people something. Because me not be say, as the boy they fight, they be slave. Any fighter where you don't fight, it tire. If you decide, see any country, go bed. What problem? If you go for DD, where you call say DDR, that's a problem. But if you fight, you tire you. Another fighter, they take their place. The fight continue. But when Capo Daniel go to an extent for points, say it day for Ghana. It concern you, and you don't can make an audio tell who say it day. Our fighters, these boys, they go to hell for forest. These boys, they go to hell, and when you listen for audio, they say they don't use drone. They don't use drone for finding. They don't forget it. Now, they don't find our own person who thinks they support the struggle. Me come outside, can make a propaganda so that the fighter now will come, show his face, say now me this, you see at the ground zero, so that La Republica will track their location. Now the kind of support in that way, because when we talk, some people they think say we hate AGC or we hate ADF. We don't hate any fighter. General Arike ever talk first. I never ever talk with you. I don't know you, but I don't see my actions. He's a true fighter. General Arike, he don't belong to the internal government. He the fight under ADF. He's an independent fighter. He fight under the internal government. He fight under ADF. Arike na independent fighter where any man will sponsor you, and he fight for the truth. And we get for protect it from all level. For all level, we get for protect it. If ADF be fight like he, why we get for year we can't say ADF do this, ADF do this. Now because you know why 1 year Arike, he go attack another fighter. We don't ever see where he dey now with action with military. We don't see Arike in videos them because some people they talk say this boy they don't make that propaganda. We don't see video where he dey in action with military. I think that the one of the first general that I don't see a video where military they shoot, he shoot, military they shoot, he shoot. So when you see that kind of fighter, the fight, and all with the fight of the flag of Ambazonian, with the fight for independence, irrespective of any angle way the victory come, will go embrace them. But when you start taking a weapon in the fight your own people, now for the way we go against. We don't go against ADM. I say ADM, all them now Ambazonian, all man are Ambazonian. But when you start go against the will of the cause, we will take them. That time we will start fight you too, like enabler. When you start you join La Republique for sure our fight at the hideout, you join La Republique for propagate against where the victory way will define them. Where internet government come for one raise fund, where the fund you go use them for fight the republic, you now you can't kick against. You say me people no contribute because you know why me the money go for internet government. Away you know say the internet government use the money for fight for Ground Zero. That means you dey against the struggle. You dey against the struggle. I want to tell AGC people something. When you start following our first video then, no man for the revolution will ever hate Ayabacho Lucas. No man will ever hate Ayabacho Lucas. Now Ayabacho Lucas declared himself a persona non grata. We remember since in the days of our ex-president Seseko. Now Ayabacho denied for join the cabinet. He talks about it. He said nothing deal with Johnny just come. He no one join with people. He no one join with people. Then he want a separate group where Naim will be chief in command. And then we for be with you where he don't decide. You like get the highest roadmap, but we don't want a victory where we'll get a victory. We start fight like how we fight for La Republic. Paul Biya na a dictator. We start fight Paul Biya first. Now because of dictator, because Paul Biya no one hear our cry. Then I will come and go enter another dictator. No. You know if you work that way, we get a structure. And where that structure it must be respected. I don't ever tell you, I say anytime our excellency, you go come for media. Like how the other people they call and say government did this, can't coach any man or can't abuse any man. From that day, they step down. Because we the ambassador people that will put people there, we will tell the president they don't yap. Automatically, you don't disgrace the whole ambassador, you must step down. Because now we put it for there. But you know, take it say the chief in command, anything we talk, anything we talk, we must take him. No. So this cheap propaganda people then, well, I don't know, because I see doubt. If the Republic don't pay them, but their actions speak. Their actions speak. Then before I come with every title, always he talks say free Marshal, they will Ghana. What are all they go to Ghana? What are Ghana won't be a play where all the night they run go because they say I like they Ghana, free Marshal de Ghana. No, every time to say free Marshal de Nigeria. I want to play this small audio moon listener.
Our Ambazonia people, I salute one and all. Now, FMA, Fimasha the King of Ambazonia, I wish one a happy Christmas. And happy Christmas also for all the BLM people. And happy Christmas too for all the generals for inside Ambazonia. All the commanders, all the lieutenants. I salute one and all. I get this very short message for Senam, for my people, for the BLM. This one go particularly for a law market where I hear say they never as them. They go open them, say they open market yesterday for a law market, I say market. And I give special warning. I said they give special warning for a law. People say any person where they don't chop, throw away your own. Make that market enter flop. Man, see any person in foot for inside a law market. They are seeing market. I repeat, I say any a law person where it will put the foot for that market. I will see how a kelebe go can protect one. For inside that market, for say when I do market. The only market where I recognize again for go through, again for go on, for inside the whole Allo Center. Nambreka market. Apart from that one, Allo market. It not exist until war is finished. If you give this announcement, you Allo person, you carry your food, go enter for inside a Allo market, say you want to do market. I promise you, when I wait the fancy and for when market go flop, it will kill any person we don't kill him. And then I will see if a kelebe will say go open market with the so-called mayor, Pierre-Marie. What I know will dare me. Now, Fima Shah, the king of Ambazonia, at the top. Now, come back for what happened yesterday. The slave soldiers, La Republic slave soldiers, where they enter Takpa, they slave for bush, they go do all things. Go broke money house, take money, chop, bomb some pleasant, come out go this evening, this afternoon. The rich from where in Chen, they gather, they buy 2 crate bimbo, shame not the catch one. When I go to top for population, say when I want female shall head, female shall don't be in a diamond, when I request for when I head. Since how many years when I talk say when I don't capture female shall don't do this. When I did small boy, them other than left hand and wait you, I say shame for one. I hear when I stand up for one in Chen when I talk say when I want us start Minji market. I say when I say so when I know the people protect when I self, when I go protect my population, say when I request for when I head. Useless soldier, they say Kelebe. Okay, when I go open Minji, central market for inside capital for Minji, make a function, now see. And then any bank person or any BLM person, we go carry 2 foot, say they go down market. No say when you come back from market, I will shoot you and I go kill you. And they give you a clear talk now. And I don't give special warning for Winken people. We want to do everything with the Kelebe. And I don't tell them if you did not pack fine, they will receive me. Now, me, Fimasha, the king at the top. For this Alo market and the central Minji town, the capital market, Balok follow any person will go enter for that place. And very soon, when I go here, and I the one when I Kelebe, when I continue for worker, they want to go meet me. When I go see what you want to become here for Franam. Balok follow when I would want to power, we would have useless president.
Okay. Now the king they talk now so. Now the king that way people talk say it ground one, say it Nigeria. When I don't listen the audio that pretty much I moved that audio on the 24th for 24th of December. This December we don't pass. Where they enable us, they don't go find me, they don't forget you. If any man will listen that audio, now listen again, listen very good, you get the background, you get noise. When you listen to that audio, you'll get the noise of the background. You will not play that audio. When you get that audio, don't listen to the sound where they come from background. It is shows that inside. They don't think outside where it be plain. You hear the sound of birds. Now for night, you know where it's a forest. You hear the sound of forest at night. Now you will listen to that audio very well. Kingly, you will know side where it made this audio. You will never ground one. You want to make audio, you know, the hear music, they play for around this. You want to make, you know, here. They go, inside, you know, it's a forest. You hear that sound. And then, so enable us, the way they don't pay them, and then you go see them, they will use, they for the National Telegraph, they don't use the Cameroon flag, they do the National Telegraph. Then they want to tap free machine, so I mean, free machine can make audio, so that the Republic will get a hideout. La Republic don't use white. We don't see white them. Now you see it's a clear social media way. La Republic don't use white now so that they be track outside the free march they but we don't tell they say white people they be travel with Venia do not succeed. They travel with Iraq do not succeed. And Ambazonia do not ever succeed. So if they don't be use we Eritato and the rest now, say me they come with track free march because say La Republic want use free march will make a New Year's speech. Because I think that way President of La Republic Pobia, if we talk a last year will be passed, it need free marshal hate so that he will take and make a New Year's speech. And now the OC camp will take free marshal hate, they make New Year's speech. I'm saying every year they keep the war, they delay because they want free marshal will take and make their speech. And then they enable that the thing say they will work with the regime. But now I want the Ambazonian people say as free marshal talk. When I listen free marshal, he voice very well. Any man when they say that market, they will kill him. And now they talk that way. I 1 year for fighter. Now they talk that. I war talk that. Not that I say you should be pamper with people. Any man when they say that market, they don't say the military, the war with military. They kill you. Now they talk that way 1 year. Now they talk that 1 year for fight. We will there for war. I don't accept. So we there for war or we talk so we'll stop the war. If we there for war, we go for the year now war talk them. We go for a year now die killing. And they talk in that way. We need for the talker every day because we don't see blood tire Now they know see kind killing. When they kill now, so you just say where because of it. First time we will see people will die on social media, all man will cry, cry. But now we don't tire the killing, we don't tire the bloodshed. So now we don't even be part of the killing. We don't even be part of the killing. So now they talk that way. We need war talk. So that means our people start get mind say we did not for war. Any man pass to that law market talk, he never die. And it will also go for other counties where if the restoration force don't give law, the internal government don't give law. Any man who will go against that law, we don't pity you. So this enable that they don't show up for my country, that the cost fighters. So one time the other day for a person me they identify can me actually hide out. When I see the level where ambassador don't go to that extent, why we not keep a strategy how to fight? Even you say no one fight with the internal government. Why you not mobilize? You get your own 5 soldiers for Ground Zero, but in a 5 AK give the command. Say me they go attack this place. Me they go. You give your own command. You know say the fire your own fight. You stop for the big distraction. You stop for the follow na shadow. You follow to where pass through. The internal government and government will stay. The internal government, no man of it drag the foot to internal government behind with the march that ahead. So when I tell Eric Tato and all the like say, me they continue the propaganda, but we just our people wait to go on because when some of the cat talk so our people they will can't ask questions say but na lie na true we don't tell una. He talk say everything. Una read in recent post. He say free Machar. He don't kill some power for 59 years in captivity for say he arrested on the 24th. He arrested on the 24th and the pardon that in captivity. In captivity, when you recently talk say free Machar there for grand 1. Free Machar commander goes can catch a person now on the 24th. On the 24th, he can arrest a person and the person died. Now which story now which one now the waka? Now the one way in Nigeria, or now this one way in the ground where they arrest a person, the person died. You talk say Chris Anu don't give free Machar 210,000 million. Amazon on a year. 210,000 million. Chris Anu get 210,000 million for side. For side. All this propaganda thing they need to pay again. When you come tomorrow, you can't talk say Dr. Sako don't take my trip to Boya go buy house. Then you see can you can't talk for another show say Dr. Sako no fit pay house rent. Which story now the worker which one? So the propaganda we don't really understand the game. Some of the one use now we for the pay the National Telegraph because if you not put a caption say free Machar don't do this, Dr. Sako don't do this, they want to do this, no get views. You know, get people for watching, for listening to that story. Because all man, the one listening, now what it don't happen, free Machar. All man, all ambassador people be very anxious for a year. Anything he come out with free Machar inside. So if anyone put any post concerning free Machar, you will get caption. So we have to stop this our propaganda. So this one take me now to the fake youth council where some group of people they reform for Ambazonian. Over a recent week. I don't monitor. I see a monitor. In the past, they say this man for Konenge. Well, after a long time, if he say he don't be quiet. They don't try for stop ABC TV not fit. They form all alliance with AGC. Say they will revamp SCBC TV. They don't pay satellite no. They don't pay. Or they don't go short. You create a parallel government. It no work. I mean, c'est ça qu'on veut Konenge. Now you talk so. You don't create a parallel government for Konenge. It no work. You do all things for distract the revolution. It no work. You say me the form partisan right later. You stand. You say disclaim yourself from partisan. You support come to. It no work. You say everything about Dr. Sako, our president. It no work. Now. Your parallel government where you don't form, where you don't destroy the struggle, because one of the highest tool that way it destroy the struggle, not only destroy it, delay the struggle for the moment, because if we don't go some step ahead, it maybe will stand still before one revamp ourselves will come back. It won't be easy. Any man want to say that parallel government no be destroy the struggle. That means the man the lie. It be handicap we revamp and revamp come back. That parallel government for if you worry we revamp come back. It no work. Now, c'est qu'on a Konenge they form a youth ambassador youth council. And that ambassador youth council they say it be neutral. People don't enter the meeting can't tell we. We are listening very well, ambassador people are listening. They don't form ambassador youth council. They say that youth council will be neutral. Neutral in what sense? That's my problem. Yes, ambassador youth them be the rise up. Yes, good thing. When I form a youth council, it be neutral. Which means a neutral say when I stand for one Cameroon, because we get only two things for the revolution, either independence or one Cameroon. That federalism, Cameroon of one that federal, La Republic of one federalism. Federalism don't die and bury it. They don't want that. So we did a two things now. Independence of Federal Republic of Ambazonian or one Cameroon. So if you go form a youth Ambazonian, I don't want to bear the flag. I don't want to say this thing it be neutral. In that light, so if I want to talk, some people will say I lie. I want to show you now one lady did where he identify himself like the vice president. Who be the president? We don't know the president. We have to see the mafia will happen for this revolution. When they be formed, the other thing now, which time they say when they say VPXX, we never ever know VPXX. Now the number form Ambassador Youth Council, they get a vice president. We don't know president. Ma show now. Now this. Now look at they get this. Now look at very well. Like this. After this, I will put up on my wall. After this, I will put up on my wall. Now we'll see where to write. He said, the youth arise and take your place in the revolution. End of year address. Ambazonian Youth Council. End of year address on the 31st. Ambazonian Youth Council. Mafawa Tanji, Vice President. Mafawa Tanji, Vice President. Who will be the president? We don't know. And when I see the distraction, anything we do with this revolution, when I got the revolution, the reveal itself. The one can that day where our excellency they make speech, after we two can make speech. He said 31st no. The vice president will not know. We don't know the president. Now this girl don't show a face now. Now if the vice president for the Ambazonian Youth Council where it be neutral of this revolution. It be neutral. They say they say they be neutral. I will not know their president. When I see the level where some saboteurs, some people the way they think say it must work their own way. They bring disturbances to the revolution. They don't try to fight this revolution in all angles. And La Republique go do everything. Everything. See, we never even start. We get to tight our belt. We get to know say we go see any kind of thing. We go see Jack and G all kind way, all kind direction. They will attack we for the revolution, all kind direction for the revolution. So we go to tight our belt very well, very well. We go to tight our belt. Say we get to get bullet all sides. So now you see the level where Sese could try to disturb this revolution by creating fake group them. It will say one collaboration. Yes, if you say one collaboration, how far you don't do with collaboration? In collaboration, say no one go Patterson. Yeah, Patterson they collaborate. When I actually say one from this Ambazonian Youth Council, he consult a cabinet for Konenge. No, he consult all them. No. You want to take opposition say na you all Ambazonian. Every time to take opposition say na you all Ambazonian. What a madness! What a madness! Every time to say if you know they, it no work. Then you today will Konenge. It to say if you know they, it no work. Wow! Now the level that way we don't go. Now the level that way we don't go. So all this madness get to stop. We get to now identify the war. It is slow, but surely will go. And I assure the people 100% we there for track. It only delay. It only delay. It go. Some people they ask questions say, "What draft? he never do this. War draft never do this. It the go, my brother and sister. Now war it the go. La Republic get back up for all sides. We not say we will get only one direction. And with that direction, that country itself never recognize we. And that country catch our leader in center for Nigeria. So it's not easy. It's not easy, but surely we will win the war. For diplomatic phase, we don't finish with them. For diplomatic phase, we just need na ground zero for keep the ground zero hit. For keep the ground zero hit. Then the one that take me to economic sabotage. We just go the line. Yes, fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, over the past years, we will not fight this war at this level. And before the war announced lockdown, 2016, when lockdown starts, it be been because of it, economic sabotage. Because we know say if you announce goes down, Monday na day where activities start. When all play big ghosted, at least that tax La Republic will feel the heat, and we don't see the impact where the ghost down. It don't do about the revolution, and the another economic sabotage we will forget what we do. Now burning. Now burning. We don't sleep. See, I want to talk for this LGA chairs and county head. They money for what drive no missing. I only for go buy AK. For buy this. This money for what draft. I want to tell you, I'm gonna listen very well. Any country where we hear action, we not care we know what I want to buy AK. One action. Brazzaville they say anyhow for Kumba. School they go anyhow. Why? Brazzaville, we hear say bar them up license. They say anyhow, people they feel free anyhow. We get to start this economic sabotage back. Yes, because La Republic don't focus in attention for the go find our restoration fighters. But we give to activate the one they do for time. You dress very well with the suit. You don't even dress rascal. You don't even dress rascal. You dress very well. Then you even get better work. You did work. You even work out. Now you the work out the military self. For every to say you know armor them. But now you do the economic sabotage. Now you. Now some people fight the war. We not give teach our attention only to restoration fighters. Then we forget so people that inside within we do that work. We give activate that one, and we know say nothing go for nothing. Nothing go for nothing. As the restoration fighters, they enjoy the benefit of war draft. The moment they do the action of benefit, they enjoy the same. My tell you something there. When key 2 military, don't get nothing, but we burn one of license, you go clear when they pass with key 2 military. Because when burn one of license, automatically the other people license Brazzaville stop automatically. But when key 2 military, the Cameroon government don't say before one go war, you said the fight for a nation. So they don't think they go bury them. So we will do things when it affect the economy. I don't talk for you say any man when he carve your house. You can collect electric light bill. Now that people know when I target them. Any man when the car market, you can ask tax. Now the people know you target them. Why no worry yourself for mayor? They get military around them. When you target those people, the other people no go. Mayor don't work at the whole Bamenda town. They work at the collect ticket with the military. No, but when you target the subject, that council or the work I do that thing. All that council they don't get military. They don't get bodyguards. Now the way that would take a stop all those things there. You hear say water be for Bamenda town are free, light na free. In light profile, they not do what they say light na free. Yes, the world will not say that country. If they so it control itself. Now for the world will know what they do. When you start target Sonnet work at them, when Sonnet stop for operate for Bamenda Okumba or Victoria, water be is stop function. It been a free. Now for they go ring bell for the military say they in control. We not because they in control. So they pay tax. When I know now what they pay tax for La Republic. They want to pay tax. We never do the way we take a stop CDC per more and all the now the same way we will stop all these people. Why will they stop the other workers? CDC workers in the year back they will leave the other workers in. Why? Why we stop the other workers them? Leave the other workers. We give activate economic sabotage. We give a burn any place where we think say it go contrary to our law. Una no see. My tell when I see the way La République take was for fight the war. La République start this war with economic sabotage and they all come back with economic sabotage. Una say La République go burn villages, destroy property. Na for waiting. La République knows say when it burn the whole village, destroy the property, it go demoralize una. Some people they will surrender, they succumb. Where we to activate that one? Burning. As they burn this my house, they burn this my house. You know, say this man he be related to military. You burn your own house. So that means burning. Or after all my life for the burning. The man burn. You see, I said La République will surrender. We don't need to suppress La République to the level where we need to end the game. We need to end the game with La République. And he begged my fighters and he begged our resolution fighters the LGA chair. We give to activate this economic sabotage back into the game. We give to come back 100%. We don't need economic sabotage not be expensive. Provided we don't get some agent them within that time when they do that work. They don't be expensive. They don't only tell me say this online and they say brotherly product. What we don't just say work with them. As I work, we find place we pay them. They do the work. As they work, we pay them. And they work, we pay them. See, I say, when day one break, you say breaking news, they don't burn this online, so you say Brazaris. They don't burn this. And that one go stop Brazaris for come out, do Allah the go. Because no, when buyers stop for buy, the people they say stop for buy, Brazaris no go sell. Now we give Brazaris the right to sell because we need to deal with that local online. They can't buy with depot. They can't buy with depot. Because we allow the buy the quarter for sell product. And the chair people don't try to they don't work in conspiracy. Because we notice some chair people don't work in conspiracy. They take money for people, they will sell brotherly product. But when you say investigate that one, any chairman will get see, will know that one, then we not go hear news. We not go hear news. Why we go on Operation RPG, where we think that the next strategy for end the war, we know so we see cry RPG because I point to the way our power arm, but we get for activate the action of sabotage. We get for destroy. We get for do this. And what for Ipales the way do it today? Because in a man people bilang. Oh, this man for so because in a man people bilang. La République born another chief the palace, born from the palace. Now we will fear. That means you know hold La République too. So my brothers and sisters, we get now for the plan, how for the go for RPGs, and then we start operation sabotage, economic sabotage. Immediately, economic sabotage is something where it needs to strategize. Any chairman, any county, where you tell say we need to strategize, taking a lie. Those things that you know you don't need action. You need immediate action. And we'll get we start that one. And we go in, we get a meeting of LGA chairs and ask them where did you go on, why the Ground Zero sleep. So I just say I don't go stay for this show. I think say we in that night we get to stay focused. We don't really win the war for the diplomatic side. We are listening the other day where they analyze how level the court case for ICC, it don't go. Next one, it will be na CIG, una wait, na the level that we go gradually, but surely we go small. So fellow Ambazonians, once more, I want time una for watching, una share the video me reach for all the Ambazonian people. They may know which way our internal enablers they do them for destroy this revolution. Thank you very much for watching and una stay blessed.